Michigan Department of Transportation is visiting Port Huron today to inform the public of their I-94 rebuild project.
So MDOT is the Michigan Department of Transportation. We're responsible for the trunk line road systems. That's the interstate routes, the U.S. routes, the M routes, and the business loop routes. We don't do anything with any other city or county streets. Those are owned by the cities or the counties. So this meeting today was to talk about an upcoming project we have on I-94 business loop in downtown Port Huron. It goes from Glenwood Avenue to the bridge over the Black River. We're reconstructing the road. We're taking out the sidewalk, the curb, the pavement, the traffic signals, the streetlights, the landscaping, everything, and replacing it. This meeting today was to talk about different alternatives for how we can reconfigure the road. Specifically, we're asking for feedback on a road diet, which is currently there is one lane in each direction, or two lanes in each direction with a center left turn lane at McMorran. Road diet would convert it to one lane in each direction with a center left turn lane. The advantage with that is we'd have one less, we'd have a little bit more space to do something with it. And so today we had 5 alternatives. First one was no change option, that it had no road diet. And then there were 4 other options that involved angled parking, parallel on-street parking, and bike lanes that we wanted to get comment and feedback from the public on. This would be City of Port Huron. Their city council has to have a resolution passed to support the road diet, and along with that resolution, we'd ask them to pick which option would be. So ultimately, the decision is city council's to make. The construction project, it would start in summer 2026, probably after boat week ends, and it would go into 27 and hopefully be completed before boat week starts in 2027. We're currently looking for public comment and thoughts on it.
To keep updated on future projects and surrounding road construction, visit www.michigangov.org/MDOT. For Thumbcoast TV, I'm Kaylin Williams.